Hi all, very good morning. Today our topic is how to download and install latest version of Apache JMeter tool. Okay, topic is how to download and install latest version of Apache JMeter tool. First one. Now latest the latest version of JMeter tool. Current version is version 5.5 is the latest version from JMeter tool. You need to install in Windows computers in JMeter tool, Windows computers or Windows OS. You need to take the .zip file. Okay, you can download the .zip file only. You need to download, and another version, Java version. Okay, Java version above 8, or you can call it 1.8. Okay, whenever you need to install to the JMeter tool, there is some prerequisites. The prerequisites is you need to install above 1.8 Java version in your computer. That is the first one. Okay, now you need to check to the our computer if Java is available or not. You can check it. First of all, go to search bar, type the cmd. You can open it, type Java. Okay, Java space hyphen version. You can see I am already installed Java version 1.8.0 okay, Java runtime enrollment. Okay, that reason whenever you display this type of message, your computer Java is already installed. You no need to install. Whenever you did not getting this type of message is showing there is some internal and external command not recognized. For not recognized internal external commands issue, that time your computer Java is not installed. Okay, how you need to install, right? First of all, you can open the any one browser and type the download Java. Okay, just to click on enter. You can go to the Oracle site. It's a very important one. Okay, this is the Oracle. Now Java is occupied by Oracle, right? That reason you can go to the Oracle site, and Java SE Development Kit 19.0.1 download. You can select there is a three flavors: Windows, Mac, and Linux. Our flavor, most of the people will use Windows. And coming to the Windows, and there is a 64 installer, right? You can see this is our version. Download oracle.com Java 19 latest JDK 19 Windows 64 bin.exe. Remember, exe is you need to download only exe. Okay, in Java version you need to download only exe only you need to download. Just you can click, it will be downloaded. I am already downloaded, that reason I am not downloaded. Just you can click on it's download the file, and you need to unzip it. Okay, once you need to unzip, right, what you need to do, first of all, example, I will go to the my C driver, program files, Java. You can see I'm already mentioned this place. Okay, the path is C driver, program files, Java JDK 1.8. Okay, now it's the latest version, but most of the softwares um, will suitable JDK 1.8 or Java 1.8. It's very suitable. Okay, just my understanding. Okay, you interested for Java 1.8, you can go to same website and the old versions you can download. That is enough. Or latest version also no issue. Okay. Now what you need to do, right? You can go to the search bar, type the environment variable. You can see edit the system environment variable. Just you can open it. It's already advanced, right? You can select the advanced tab and environment variable. In an environment variable, there are two paths. User variables for HP. This is system related. Means it's a user only will mention, but in default is everything logs, everything will storing area. You don't touch this one. You coming to this place. You coming to this place. You can select to the, just a minute. You can drive it. Go to path. Just click on edit. Okay, whenever you click on edit, right, you can see I am already mentioned. See program files Java JDK bin means you can go to this place until bin. You can see until bin you need to take this path. Until bin you need to take the path and go to this place. I am already added this one, but whenever you need to click on, right, you can click on new and add the row, and you can add this row and click on OK. First task is completed. Second one, after you can click on this one Java home, right? Whenever newly you created time, it's not available. That time what you need to do, click on new. Okay, click on new. Whenever you click on new, there is a one pop-up will become. Now I will select this one Java, right? Click on edit. You can see you can type the capital letters Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Java underscore home you need to type and go to this path until JDK, not bin. See program file Java JDK. Until this path you can copy it and paste to this place and click on OK. Once these steps will be completed, you can close everything and you need to restart your computer. The restart is done. Open same command prompt and type this Java space hyphen version. Whenever you type, you get this message. The message Java version 1.8 or your latest version Java version 19. Okay, that time your computer Java is installed. Okay, our first step Java installation now completed. Now moving to download the Apache JMeter tool. How we need to do? Okay, in same website you can go back to the Google. Download Apache JMeter tool. Okay, the first link jmeter.apache.org. This is the original link. Just click on. You can see Apache JMeter 5.5 required Java 8 plus or 1.8 you can call it. The latest version is 5.5. Okay, 5.5. Which file you need to download, right? This is Windows computer. That reason you can download the Apache JMeter 5. Apache JMeter 5.5.zip. Okay, you can download only this file Apache JMeter 5.5.zip. Zip file only you need to download. Whenever you download, just you can extract and copy to the JMeter file. There is no any specific installation, that type of things it's not available. Okay, there is no any installation. Java you have a installed. Java you have a installation procedure. But JMeter there is no any install. Just you can click on this zip file. Whenever you download it, extract it and leave it where you required. Example, I will go to my E folder. You can see this is my file. I am already pasted. Example Apache JMeter 5.4.1 bin folder. I will launch it. Just a minute, it will open that one. Okay, this is the Apache JMeter tool. Okay, our normal view. Okay, tools and some specific tools how we need to run remaining stuff. Okay, this is the Apache JMeter tool. Install before you need to install to the Java. That is the prerequisite. After you can download and keep it anywhere, and you can use it. Okay, this is the way, the process for the download the latest version of Apache JMeter tool. Yeah, that's all guys. This video I will connect to my next video. Thank you very much everyone.